Hi guys, my name is Rohan and I created my YouTube channel a few months ago and uploaded over 50 videos by now. So I would like to take this opportunity to thank you all for your likes, comments, sharing and subscription. But I really wanted to get more feedback from you all so I can do even better in my upcoming videos. So as you all know, feedback really matters. So I created a short survey to hear some of the feedback from you all. It will be really helpful for me to understand the needs and also to deliver the right content and videos in my upcoming series of videos. The survey link is in the description box below. Go ahead and click on it and provide your feedback. It's a quick 7 questions. You can do it in just less than 2 minutes, and you can also add comments like shares as you've been doing always. So while I was thinking about getting this feedback survey done for my channel, I came across this Survey Sparrow, which is really great site, and it has got very cool forms, predefined templates, using which even in fact I created my survey using Survey Sparrow. If you're a company or a businessman, or let's say even if you're a marketing agency and if you are interacting with your customers, providing your services, or if you are working with your employees team, then it's something a great tool that you may want to have. You can instantly create the surveys and keep track of the feedbacks from all your customers or employees. Let me show you quickly using a hands-on how do we create a survey. As soon as you're done with your sign up process, you will be redirected to this dashboard page, and on the right hand top side you will be getting your profile settings, right, and a button to create a new survey. Right, let's go ahead and click on that, and if you observe, there are several types of surveys available. Based on the need, you can create appropriate surveys. The one that is classic, chat, and even you can have offline surveys using a kiosk if it is installed. Right, so for now, let's go ahead and create a classic survey. So under that, you get two options. To start with something completely blank, you can create your own manual feedback form. Otherwise, you can click on browse classics template, and from there you can get it directly. And there are so many ready-made templates already created for each of these categories. If you belong to a business, employee, or a companies, or educational institute, or a marketing agency, or a healthcare, so there are several categories available, and for each of the category you have predefined templates created. So for this example, I'll go ahead and create on marketing, and let's click on marketing research. So as soon as you click on that, you have this beautiful predefined template already created. All you have to do is just choose this template, and once we choose this, it will show you um, this new survey form. Just click on next, and on the left hand side, if you see, this is the edit button. This is the design. If you want to change something, you can do that here. So under this edit or a build section, you have like a lot of the questions already predefined. So for example, what best describes your role, right? This is already predefined. You may, if you want to change something, you can just click here and then make changes to whatever options, right? Similarly, you have got many other questions along with the standard responses, right? Even you can you know reorder your survey, the order of the survey questions. You can do that, and if you have any custom question feedback, then you can click on this and add your custom survey option as well. You have got an option to choose a question type, opinion scale, multiple choice, rating, and some text box, email, contact form. There are several options available. So once you are done with listing out all your questions along with the appropriate options, you can go ahead to design, wherein you will be allowed to change the colors, and similarly you can even add some custom variable, such as first name, last name, right? So once that is done, you can even put your survey in a particular language, but by default we have it English. And when you go to config, you have some general settings on the workspace and the default language and several other choices. And even you can set up the email notifications so that once the survey is completed, you will be getting the survey notification. And once you are done with these steps, which is nothing but a build step, the next one is to integrate. So there are several integration applications already pre-built in Service Sparrow. If you are using Slack or a Teams or any other tools in your team or a company, right? You can directly integrate with Slack, right? The surveys can be integrated with Slack and sent out to your employees, right? Similarly, if you are running Facebook Pixel, you can add it that, or else if you want to capture the Google Analytics, that is also possible. Mailchimp, and there are several options even with Google Sheets and Salesforce, right? So these are some of the integration points available, so you can directly start using it. So apart from that, there are options to make use of webhooks and also APIs, right? So once your build is done and integration part is done, you will be given an option to choose your survey link. So by default, this is the survey link. It's already created. If you want a shorter URL, you can go ahead and click on this. So this will give you a shorter URL, and you can just copy this URL and send it to all your audiences, right? So that is as easy as that. And once that is done, you can track all your results in this particular page, right? As and when you start responding, receiving responses, the responses will be shown here. So this is the section where you can see your responses. You can even do a self filtering and sorting based on the responses you receive, right? And also you have an option to share your report to someone, to your management or to the higher authority. So that can be done as well. All right, so let me go ahead and show you how it looks to your customers, right? So that's a short URL. Once your customers or employees or your team gets to participate in this survey, they will be getting this particular screen, and it's a very nicely laid out template. All they have to do is just click on the respective answers for that particular question. For example, I'll provide some default responses here. Even you get a yes or no, right? So you can even set it as mandatory, and so that they can provide some mandatory feedbacks, right? This is how you can submit your feedback. Thank you guys.